Hi, good day again, everyone. I hope you're having a great day, and welcome again to another toy unboxing and review. This time we will unbox and review the Hot Wheels 1970 Dodge Power Wagon. So this is the 8th car of that series and is my favorite car from this year's Mopar series. So the Mopar series has 8 cars. The 2013 SRT Viper, the custom Dodge van, the Dodge Charger Drift, Dodge Viper GT SR, 71 Plymouth Road Runner, the Dixie Challenger, the 70 Dodge Challenger, and of course this one. So this is from the L case. So let's take the truck out of the case, and here it is. So if you still haven't noticed it, this one is all metal. The base is metal, and I think this metal is thicker than the standard metal that they use in cars. So the metal that they have in their trucks is thicker because of this part here, and the body is also metal. So the black paint with the yellow and red accents here, the pinstripes, really stands out on this pickup truck. Really, this one also has big tires, although it is plastic, but it looks great with the yellow lip on the tire and the rims, I should say. So it has the Mopar logo here at the side and the Dodge logo at the back. No tampos here at the rear of the truck. So the front looks really, what should I call this? Really solid. That's the fog lamp, which is part of the base. So no details on the headlights and the fog lamp. Also the light here, there's no details, and it's plastic. Again, this is my favorite truck for this year, and my favorite truck from the Mopar series. So have a closer look of the car. Really stunning. Amazing details on the car. Really heavy. And I only saw 2 of these here, and I bought them. I haven't seen any one like this here again. So is it hard to find this truck in your country, in your place? Please comment below. I know that prices of this truck in eBay have started to go up. So really cool looking car. So if you enjoyed this video, please do like and subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification icon. So keep on collecting. Thank you again for watching my videos, and goodbye.